Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth, General Manager with Stahl's CAD-CUT Direct. One of the hottest trends in apparel printing are foils and metallics. Combine that with the ability to print these shades onto performance textiles and different synthetics such as bags and jackets, and you have something that can be really profitable for your business. Here at Stahl's, we're excited to introduce the FoilTEK line of printable heat transfer materials for your solvent or eco-solvent printer cutter. We have a whole line of products. One of those products is called CAD-COLOR FoilTEK. I'm very excited about this product because it allows full color, real metallic finishes. I want to show you a little bit about the different color choices and styles available within this range, and then also apply some of the options to show you how it looks, how it adheres, how it stretches, how it performs on these performance garments. Let's start with the different finishes in the roll form. First, we have a printable metallic silver. There's also a printable metallic gold. And lastly, a printable metallic white. These three particular colors are all opaque, meaning they'll stay the color that they are after they're applied onto the garment. In addition though, we have some cool color changing metallics that are called FoilTEK shifts. We carry FoilTEK Shift Gold and FoilTEK Shift Silver. These products will change color based on the color of garment that they're actually applied to. So let's take a look at some transfers, actually apply this to some garments. You can really understand the advantages of CAD-COLOR FoilTEK. Okay, we'll start with the application of the FoilTEK Metallic Silver. And for this application, I'm going to load a high visibility performance shirt. One important thing to note about this entire range is that they all feature the STIX2 adhesive, which means it sticks to anything. And also it applies at a very low temp. That way it's intended for polyester performance wear fabrics, and it's not going to scorch those fabrics. We're pressing only at 280 degrees. I'll line up my design with the FoilTEK Metallic Silver, position it into place, utilizing a cover sheet, and it takes 2 steps of 5 seconds each, all at a medium to firm pressure. This product is a warm peel, which means I'll give it just a couple seconds to cool down. Then remove the liner. And I'll cover it and finish the application. You can see a beautiful metallic silver finish. The next product I want to show you is the printable metallic gold. This is another one of my favorite products within the range. And we'll load this performance wear shirt in green. Start with a preheat to remove the moisture and wrinkles. You can see some unique things you can do with these print applications. I won't apply all these, but here's one that just shows you the basic metallic gold finish and then all the different colors that can be printed and turned metallic by printing on this with your solvent or eco-solvent printer. Also, this design shows where we've actually power clipped an image into the metallic gold finish, and this can, translate across any of the finishes within the Stahl's Tech range. It's just a product of print cut and digital printing onto this heat transfer media. And we'll apply this team design, basketball design. It follows the same application of the entire Stahl's Tech family. 280 to 320 degrees, varying temperature range, 5 seconds. Peel warm. And then an additional hit with a cover sheet of 5 seconds. You could do a straight 10-second application, but since we're dealing with heat-sensitive polyesters, we really want to limit their time underneath the heat, and that's why we're breaking it up into the 2 steps. So let's show you how that finish comes to life here in the light. The best thing about all of these foil-like products is they won't crack, they won't peel, they won't fade. They're extremely soft, and they're also highly stretchable with stretch and recovery. They're only about 40 microns thick, so they're extremely soft on this garment. And the last product in that family is the metallic white. And with the STIX2 adhesive, you're able to apply on different types of polyesters, not just performance wear. In this case, we're going to do a polyester shell jacket. Position my lift chest logo. Have a nice metallic white finish. Still soft and flexible. Feels great on this jacket. Now let's move over to the shift option, and as I mentioned, there is a FoilTEK Shift Silver and also a Shift Gold. It's still produced on the same printer cutter, and it starts a little transparent. I'll start with preheating my ash gray SportTech shirt, which is from Sanmar. All the performance fabrics were donated from Sanmar. And this is the Shift Silver. You can actually see that the product is transparent. We're looking at the back adhesive side of it. If we look at the print face of it, you can see, my hand through the design, and the intensity of the color changes based on the darkness of the fabric it's applied to. So you're going to get it popping slightly off of the gray. It's really understated on a white fabric, and it's really intense on a dark color fabric. Soft, extremely stretchable, all of these FoilTEK products. Your customers are going to love this. The CAD-COLOR FoilTEK is just one line of products in the whole family of STAHL's materials, all manufactured by STAHL's and sold direct with the STIX2 adhesive, meaning they'll stick to absolutely anything and they're engineered for performance wear. I'd encourage you to go to stahls.com and pick up these products today for your printer cutter.